When we talk about data, so mainly we have three categories. The first one is structured data. Structured data, sometimes referred to as you can say relational data, is the data that has a specific schema. So all of the data has the same fields, or you can say properties. The shared schema allows this type of data to be easily searched with query languages such as SQL or structured query language. This capability makes this data style perfect for applications such as CRM systems, reservations, or any kind of inventory management system. Generally, structured data is stored in database tables with rows and columns, with key columns to indicate how one row in a table relates to data in another row of another table. Generally, structured data is straightforward in that it's easy to enter, query, and analyze. All of the data follows the same format. So structured data is always highly organized, you can say clearly defined and easy to access and easy to analyze. So the sources of if we talk about the structured data sources, so the sources of structured data are SQL database, spreadsheets, online forms, or you can say point of sale systems, web and server logs. So these are a kind of data which fall in the category of structured data. And the next category which is also really important is known as semi-structured data. So semi-structured data is less organized when we compare with structured data, and is not stored in a relational format, as the fields do not neatly fit into tables, rows and columns. Mostly semi-structured data contains tags, you can say, that make the organization and hierarchy of the data apparent. Semi-structured data is also referred to as a non-relational or non-SQL data. The expressions and structure of the data in this style is defined by serialization languages. Common example of semi-structured data are HTML or XML or JSON, or you can also count YML files in this category. So if we move forward and find the third category, so the third category of the data is known as unstructured data. The organization of unstructured data is ambiguous. Unstructured data, you can say unstructured data is often delivered in files such as photos or videos. The video file itself may have an overall structure and come with the semi-structured metadata, but the data comprises the video itself is unstructured. Therefore, photos, videos and other similar files are classified as unstructured data. If you want to get more examples regarding the unstructured data, so media files such as photos, videos and audio files, or office files such as Word document, PowerPoint presentations, text files and log files are fall in the category of unstructured data. Now we get the basic idea behind the data types and what types of data generally available when we are dealing with the storage solution. So let's get another episode where we can summarize these three types of data structures and then move forward and see what kind of designing scenarios and implementation scenarios available on the platform of Microsoft Azure. So let's move now.